Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, we got that BMW right here, 328 2007 model E90, and let me show you. We have a problem with the music on that thing. We believe the amp is fried on it. Okay, when you try to turn the radio on, you don't hear almost anything. That's turned up all the way up. That's all you hear, almost nothing right there. So we're gonna show you guys today how to change the amp on that thing, where it is located. It's simple procedure, not very complicated once you know what to do. So stay with us and we're gonna show you that now. Check out our first channel, guys, World Mechanics. We have amazing Beamer build coming soon and many more as well. Thank you for watching. Okay, so we will need to open the trunk. That's the new amp that we got. Actually, it's a used one. Matching numbers and everything. Make sure that you do have matching one. And that's where it's located, guys. You need to remove that cap right there where it says CD. After that, we'll need to remove, okay, that carpeting there. Okay, once you remove this one, we'll need to pull actually that carpet out of here. So we'll show you how to do that now. We're gonna put the seat down. Okay, like that. And now we'll need to, there usually is a clip. This one is missing for some reason. We want to see if we can just pull it out of here without removing that trim piece. Okay, the right way would be to remove that one, but you can get it out that way. It's a little bit easier. Okay, like that. And that's where the amp is. That's where the problem is, guys, right now. So we'll show you how to do it. You need to disconnect the wire by pressing down there, and you need to move that piece. Okay, like that. Okay, let me show you now. When it's connected, okay, this one is all the way, so you need to press this little thing down, and after that you'll be able to push this one forward. Now with an 8mm socket, we have a screw that we need to remove there. That's for the bracket. One there as well. One that's a little bit hard to show. Okay, 3 of them so far, and then we have one more. Unfortunately, most of the time they will not come with the bracket, so you will have to install your bracket. Okay, we have it out now, and that's the old one. That's the replacement one that we got. And now we're going to replace the bracket. We'll need a 10mm socket. We'll show you for right here. Those two that we will need to remove, and that bolt right here. So once we get those out, I think we should have the bracket ready for the new amp. Okay, just like that. Now we are going to install the old one, the new one on the old bracket. Okay. Need to make sure everything's lining good and get those tight. And we think the old one, I don't know what happened to it, doesn't look very good, dusty. It got fried, they had some kind of big music in it, and I think they fried it somehow. Who knows how, but they did. So now we're just going to go ahead. Okay, let us show you about the wires. You need to get that piece down. Okay, like that. It needs to be like that. Now you push in, and you twist the thing, and it locks the wires, just like that. And all we have to do now, we need to install the 4 bolts that we took off with that 8mm socket. Make sure it's where it's supposed to, and it's not catching any cables. That's very important. Okay, like that. now, and then we'll need to install all the carpeting and see if that's the problem in our case. Okay, so let's see if the music works now. Put the key in. Oh yeah, so everything is good. That fixed our problem, guys. Most likely if something is not working, check the amps. You can actually diagnose those, but we're pretty sure that was the problem. The unit seemed fine, it was working, the radio unit, so we just shot for the amp, and that's our problem. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We have way more videos, and we have quite a few videos on that Beamer if you have one, and we'll have more in the future as well. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.